Today, guys, we're going to play Roblox. These are just my friends. Don't mind them. They're just dumb, okay? Don't say it to them. Bro, what am I playing right now? What am I playing today? Should I play Invade? Okay, of course. Bro! Can I hold it for you? So you can.
Nilibot namin ang iba't mga kwarto at wall. At nang matapos ay kinita na namin ang King 2 at nagpalit ng lokasyon.
Okay.
So guys,
Today, we're going to play Invade. If we die, we'll do the other video.
Kung ano yung mga entity
Reflections of the window.
Dito ay inikot ko ang mga kwarto, wall, at habang naman sila kumulong tayo ng dividing
And
matapos namin mag-shoot sa buong lugar. Tignan namin